pet animals. I am a puppy. My father is strong and smart. We are loyal animals and love to play with our humans. Touch and feel my soft ears. I am a kitten. My mother is graceful and quick. We love to play with yarn and drink milk. Feel my furry tail. I'm a baby hamster. My mother keeps me warm and safe. We love to burrow, nibble food, and run in wheels. Touch my soft fur. I'm a baby rabbit. My mother is gentle and fast. We love to hop around and nibble carrots. Feel my soft fur.